How does a phone screen reader help visually impaired users? Imagine trying to use a smartphone without being able to see the screen. It sounds challenging, right? That's where a phone screen reader comes into play. This built-in feature turns on-screen text and icons into spoken words, making the device accessible for those who cannot see well or at all. When you activate the screen reader, it listens to everything on the screen, like app names, messages, buttons, and notifications, and speaks it aloud. This means users can understand what is happening on their phone without needing to look at it. Using gestures, such as swiping left or right, helps navigate through different items on the screen. Double tapping selects or activates the item that the voice is announcing. For example, if you hear messages, you can double tap to open your messages. The screen reader announces each item as it is focused on, so users always know what they are about to interact with. This makes tasks like opening apps, reading emails, browsing websites, or sending messages possible without sight. Most smartphones allow customization of the screen reader. You can change the speech speed, voice tone, and how much detail is spoken. Some devices support braille displays, which let users read content through tactile feedback, making the experience even more accessible. Voice commands can also be used to perform actions hands-free, such as making calls or sending texts. In the realm of device customization and accessibility, screen readers are a key feature. Users can adjust settings to suit their needs, like increasing speech speed or changing gestures for easier navigation. This flexibility helps ensure the phone remains useful and comfortable for everyone, regardless of their level of visual impairment. People can use the screen reader to read emails, browse social media, use maps, and access online services. It allows visually impaired users to manage daily tasks independently, stay connected, and access information easily. The feature turns a smartphone into a powerful tool for communication, productivity, and staying informed, all tailored to individual needs.